Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable broth from scraps. Start by collecting peels, ends, and leafy stems in a sealed bag in the freezer until you have enough. When ready, rinse the scraps, roughly chop large pieces, and toss everything into a large pot. Cover with cold water, add aromatics like garlic and peppercorns, and simmer gently to extract rich flavor without overcooking. Combine your prepared scraps with cold water using roughly 1 to 3 scraps to water by volume, then bring to a gentle simmer. Add salt, peppercorns, and a bay leaf for depth, and keep the temperature low to avoid cloudiness. Simmer for 1 to 2 hours while occasionally tasting and skimming foam. When the flavor is balanced, strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth and cool quickly before storing. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is a funny little companion after cooking with strong scraps, keeping your car fresh after grocery runs or farmer market trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if you like, and now let's get back to the video. After straining and cooling your broth, portion it into airtight containers or freezer-safe bags for convenience. Refrigerate for up to 5 days or freeze in measured portions, such as cups or ice cube trays, for quick use. Label and date your containers to track freshness. This homemade broth enhances soups, sauces, risottos, and grains with deeper flavor while reducing waste and saving money compared to store-bought stock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.